Welcome to J&J's test video of SXPL 350. This is a 1999 Plymouth Prowler, 11,000 miles, hit there in the front. We'll give you a walk around. It got hit in the engine fuse box, so it won't crank or anything, but I can show you the cluster working and the windows go up and down. We'll get that out of the way. We have 11,660. Cluster lights up. Radio works. And the windows roll up and down. Alright, and that's it. SXPL 350, and this is what happens when you turn the key. Nothing. So, something got hit in the fuse box.